Let's start. Today we will see how to embed YouTube videos on an HTML page. Let's see the code. In the body tag, we have an iframe tag. The source attribute is set to the link of one of the videos on my channel. This is the address of this video. If I run this code in the browser right now, this video will not play and show an error that youtube.com refused to connect. This error occurs because the video address has a watchword in it. So this video link is not suitable for embedding. To embed a YouTube video in HTML, we need to remove these words from the link and replace those words with embed word like I have done in this example. Now, this link will play successfully. So always remember to use embed word to embed a YouTube video in the HTML. Next, in this example, we add autoplay and mute attributes at the end of the link, so that this link would start playing automatically, and also be muted. Next, in this example, we add the controls attribute at the end of the video link and set it to 0. So this video will play without any video player controls. Next, in this example, we add the loop attribute at the end of the video link and set it to 1. So this video will play in an infinite loop. Let's run this code in a browser. As you can see, in this example the browser shows us an error and can't play the video. In this example, the browser plays the video successfully. In this example, the video starts playing automatically and is muted. In this example, the video plays without any video player controls. In this example, the video will keep replaying in an infinite loop. So that's it. That's how you can play YouTube videos in HTML. Thank you.